Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet these cute emoji earmuffs to keep your ears warm in the winter time. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. To get started, you're going to need a 4mm hook, a headband, and some yellow worsted yarn. I'm using just yarn from Premier. You will also need a little bit of polyfill. Make a chain of 64. I'm making here a small swatch for the stitch so I can teach you how to do the stitch. Now starting from the second chain from the hook, insert your hook into it and yarn over and pull through. Now insert your hook into the following stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You now made your first linked double crochet. Now insert your hook through that horizontal bar that was created in that stitch. Yarn over and pull through. That is your yarn over for your linked double crochet. Insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Finish it up like a double crochet. Now keep doing this until the end of the round. Then turn. Once you turn, you're going to crochet 2 more rounds of the linked double crochet, every time starting with a chain of 2. Then insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and yarn over and pull through into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, finish it up like a double crochet, and then continue on with linked double crochets. You're going to have 3 rows in total, and it's going to look like this. You're going to take your headband, and now you're going to wrap it around it and you're going to sew it together. So you have the ends come together and they need to be sewn all the way closed. Have the seam on the inside so you don't see it very well. Ideally, you want to use the mattress stitch for this. Keep in mind that some headbands are thicker and some are thinner, so you may have to adjust the amount of rows you're going to do for this project. Let me show you really quickly how to do the mattress stitch. Now make sure you connect your very last stitch with your very first stitch that you made of the chain. Then make sure that you close this hole up here because you don't want your headband to come out. So go back and forth to close it out. And now you're going to actually start with the mattress stitch. So maybe a little hard to see here because I have to hold the headband in a certain way and it doesn't bend all the way down. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back and forth between each of these rows. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert your hook into one stitch and come out on the neighboring stitch. And now you go over here to the other side and do the exact same thing. So insert it in one stitch and come out on the other stitch. And now you go back and forth and repeat this. In between you want to kind of pull a little bit so it closes out. I like to pull every 5 or 6 stitches or so. So at this point I'm going to pull and it closes this out. Now go ahead and do this for the entire headband. Once you're done, it's going to look like this, and you can set this aside as we're now going to work on the earmuffs itself. Still using yellow, you're going to make a magic ring, chain 1 to secure your ring, Add 6 single crochets to the ring. Close the ring. Use a stitch marker. I use my yarn end here as my stitch marker. And then in the next round, crochet 2 single crochets per stitch. And do this all the way around. In the following round, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 single crochets in the following one. Now repeat that all around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Now repeat that all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following. Now go ahead and repeat that all the way around. In the next round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following one. Now repeat that all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Now repeat that all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Now repeat that all the way around. Once you're done, repeat that entire set one more time such that you have 2 circles. But you're going to do that one more time. So let me show you. So you have those 2 circles right here. And now we're going to do the circle again 2 more times, but separately from each other. And then we're going to extend them a little bit on the side, okay? So once you have your third one done, you're going to do 4 rounds of just single crochets, and then you do that one more time. Once you have done your circle, you're now going to go into the back loop only for 1 round and crochet 1 single crochet per stitch. Once you finish the round, you do 3 more rounds of regular single crochets. Once you're done, you're going to have 2 circles and 2 circles with walls. And now we're going to focus on the faces of the emoji, and then we're going to put the entire thing together. So let's start with the hearts. You're going to make a magic ring. You're going to chain 2 and add 3 double crochets to the ring. Now add 3 half double crochets to the ring. Then chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and slip stitch to the ring. Pull out your yarn, and now you're going to close up the ring. Pull, pull, pull. And there you have your little heart. Now go ahead and make 3 more, so you have 4 in total. Now let's make the mouth. Grab some black yarn, chain 8, a single crochet in a second chain from the hook, a half double crochet in the following stitch, a double crochet in the next, now 3 double crochets in the following, a double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the following, and a single crochet in the last stitch. And then go ahead and make 1 more mouth. Now take your 2 circles with the walls, and now you're going to sew on the mouth and the eyes as hearts on the outside, on both of them. So let me sew mine on and I'll show you how it looks like. Aren't these so cute? They're adorable. So now let's put the entire thing together. You're going to take your circles. So the idea is that you put the headband in like this, and it's going to be sewn onto here. So we're going to first sew the circle onto the headband so it's stable and it won't come out. And then we're going to sew the bigger circle with the walls all the way around. Keep in mind you need a little bit of an opening towards the end to stuff it, because there needs to be some polyfill inside of it. So let's sew the circle onto the headband first. So you really just have to go back and forth here and sew it on. Now make sure that your face is upward so that it looks out. And now you're going to sew these 2 pieces together. Remember that once you are about 3/4 of the way done, you're going to need to stuff it before you finish up sewing it. Then you attach the other side and it's gonna look like this, and it's ready to use as earmuffs. Aren't they so cute? Absolutely adorable. And of course you can add any other face that you like on it. This happened to be my favorite emoji and I use it constantly. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.